for so long. New iPad, 2018, price and release date. The new iPad was launched in March 2018, and comes with a range of storage and connectivity options. The new iPad 2018 price starts at $329, £319, 469 Australian dollars, but schools will get a discount in the UK and US of around 10%. At $329, 469 Australian dollars, the new iPad price is exactly the same as the starting price of the new iPad, 2017, and both come with 32 GB of storage, in the US and Australia, while in the UK it looks like consumers are being treated to a discount, as currency fluctuations mean the basic 32 GB version is actually £20 cheaper than last year's iPad. That's for the Wi-Fi only model, with the 32 GB slate with cellular connectivity setting you back $459, £449, 669 Australian dollars.